Hello everyone, this is Leo from GeneratePress and GeneratePress. In this video, I'm going to do a walkthrough of the charge template in our site library module. It's a really simple site that uses the dynamic block element from GP Premium 2.0 with GeneratePress, a little bit of CSS and no other plugins. Let's get started. So the front page right here is actually the posts or block page. It's constructed with 3 elements, and let's dive right into it. The first element here is a header element. It is used to merge the header and navigation with the block page hero underneath. It uses custom navigation colors here, which you can see in the static navigation here, so that the sticky navigation colors inherit the settings from the customizer. Let's take a look at the second element. This element is a very simple block page hero built with GeneratePress. So it has a container on the very outside. You can change the padding, which is the top space, the bottom space here, and of course the background color here. Inside the container, we have a headline block. It's using H1 with an icon, followed by a buttons block. And the last element here is the content template that constructs the post loop here. So here we have the element type as content template, and the layout is actually imported from templates here. Layout with feature image overlay. We will take a quick look of the structure. Again, we'll start with a container. The background image is using the feature image of the post. Inside the main container, we also have a second container with the category and comments link in it. So this container has the inline post meta items activated, so we can add 2 post meta in one line. Then it has the inline alignment space between, where you can choose left, center, right, space between, put them 1 on each end. The category is using the dynamic text type list of terms category, and the comments is using text type comments number. The icon can be modified here. Below the post meta, we have a headline block. So this is using H2 and it's linked to the title of the single post. Lastly, we have the read more button built with the buttons block. So the margin top here sets this distance between the button and the title. And then the button itself is linked to the single post. The display rule of this content template is applied to block page only. But of course, you can also apply to all archives if you wish. Now let's take a look at some static pages. The About page is actually the documentation of this template. It explains everything you need to know. It also has 1 block page hero. So we have element type, page hero, disable title, and disable primary post meta, as we're using this not just static page, but also single post. So this is a H1 title that has inline width. So if I turn it off, you'll see the border goes all the way across. Now let's take a quick look of a single post. So you can see the same global hero is applied here as well. You can also create a separate one if you want to add in the author name or categories inside your page hero. Now let's take a quick look of the CSS involved. The first section here is to set a max width to the body of the website so it doesn't span the entire screen width. Then setting the background color to this gray color you see here. The second section is to create the navigation button. And then the last section is to make the entry content, so this section, narrow with extra padding along the side. So that's set to 600 pixels. This is used in single post and static pages. That's it for this site. Thanks for watching.